What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE from Jrekml. Welcome to the channel. Let's go.
Yeah.
Also, got some special guests. I got CRAVITY.
Get out my way, I don't care what you.
Let's make some noise for CRAVITY. Let's go. I got Lejonny, amazing dancer, and I just want to see how good everybody's body rolling is. If you've been following my channel, I body roll for 10 years straight. It got me this far. But one by one, each member of CRAVITY is gonna go up and we're gonna judge them. We're gonna, there's no like scale or like out of 10, just to see who has the best body roll. Let's start this in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Who's afraid of follow?
Yeah.
Children,
Oh man, I need some milk. Enough for that.
You're right, milk does help spice. But I'm looking for that. I don't know if you're gonna do that. Surprise me. Maybe a little creative. I don't know.
Okay.
But you're first, right?
Let's go.
Let's go. Give some love. Give some love. Alright. I'm just gonna continue bopping. 3, 2, 1.
got a fast day, we got a lot of it. Put my neck down.
Hey.
Check out what I got.
Okay.
Okay.
That was hot. That was good.
Alright.
You're setting the level high.
For sure.
I think so.
Alright.
Who's next then?
Wonjin.
I'll go.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, Wonjin. Come on, Wonjin.
Let's go. Show me your wave.
Show me your body
Okay,
roll.
what's your taste?
Show me your roll.
Hey.
Your body roll.
He's popping. Oh, alright.
Wow. That's even higher.
Alright.
Don't hurt yourself though. Don't be falling like that.
Let's go,
Let's
Let's
go,
go.
Samir.
Let's go.
Alright. You got this?
Yeah. I'm so nervous.
I bet he's gonna kill it.
Yeah, he is. It's always the nervous ones who do the best.
Let's go.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
Okay. Oh, he's stretching. He's stretching.
He's going somewhere.
Oh man.
Who's afraid of
Let's go.
Oh, good.
And he's barely 19 years old.
Oh my god.
Jeez.
And you're doing the most sexiest one. Alright, who's next? It's already hot in here.
What about Jumbo?
You got this. You can
Oh,
move it.
Jumbo.
That pink guy?
Pink guy.
Hot pink guy.
Drop
Hot
it up.
pink guy.
Oh, man. What do I choose out of all this?
Let's go, Tim.
Dang, off the bat.
No. He's the last stage.
What?
Last
What?
stage.
Damn, it's last.
Okay, last. Okay, you're last.
What about Meanie?
Okay.
Here we go. You got this. I believe in you.
That hip roll. Oh man.
That was spicy. That was a little spicy.
You got it choked up, man.
I mean, I did say body roll though. All y'all dropping it low, but that's extra points. Bonus points.
Hyunju's
Got
good.
this. 3,
He's
2.
good at this.
I think we misunderstood the body roll.
Yeah, alright, who's next?
Sorry.
Let's go.
He's the most spicy member.
Oh.
I'm ready. Let's go.
That's talent right there.
Final round.
Do you want
Best for
a
last.
specific time of the song or just
Don't
go all
need
out?
anything.
Anything.
wow.
Ready.
Alright, I'm choosing a random time.
Pro TikToker.
Pro TikToker.
We have a dance break in this song too.
Oh, really?
It's towards the end
bridge?
a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, it makes me nervous this place.
Alright, let's go Taeyong.
That's deep.
Alright, let's see. What a way to end this competition.
How do I even choose?
I
You okay, Tam?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
Huh?
This is right.
My vote's for Taeyong.
Tam? Who do we vote for? For most extra spicy, I guess Taeyong.
Yeah.
Yeah, do we agree, Taeyong?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, congratulations, Taeyong. Say your speech. Got a speech up here. You are JREAMER, my YouTube channel's
Yep.
best body roller right now.
Nice.
What do you want to say to the camera right there?
Thank you.
Let's go, let's go. Go whenever.
Who's afraid to follow? Yeah. Children have my
Hey.
I'm on my way, it's all
Hey, hey, go, get it.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey, 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 hey.
Yeah? Let's go! Let's go!
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.